Want to reward your VIP customers or create exclusive pricing for specific groups? Why settle for a one-size-fits-all approach when you can personalize the experience? Today, we'll show you how to create a new customer group in Magento 2. First, navigate to Customers in the left sidebar, then select Customer Groups. Click the Add New Customer Group button. Give your group a name, such as VIP Customers, and assign it a tax class, like Retail Customer or any other class you prefer. When you're done, click Save Customer Group. Your new group is now ready to use for personalized pricing, promotions, or other unique store features. Want to assign a customer to this group? Go to Customers, All Customers, edit the desired profile, and select the group from the Customer Group drop-down. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more Magento tips. Got questions or need expert help? Visit neosolax.com or email us at sales@neosolax.com.